Congratulations! For once you get to be ahead of a trend, and here is why.
Woo!
I am willing to predict that in the next 2 years you're gonna see a ton of cleaning chemicals that are probiotic based. So instead of completely wiping out every single one of the bacterias, these chemicals right here are probiotic based. And what that means is they are trying to bring in good bacteria to combat the bad bacteria. Another reason why these things are going to become more popular is because probiotics are really helpful to break down allergens. So if you're somebody that suffers from allergies, these cleaning chemicals can definitely help. Probiotics are microorganisms. That means it will continue working long after application. Of course, it's also eco-friendly, and that means you can spray it until the cows come home. And it won't damage sensitive surfaces. Now, another reason why these products are going to become very popular, and I'm not going to talk on the topic too much because I'm nowhere near a doctor, but you're going to hear people compare them to the things like harsh chemicals. Which one of these products is going to be better for your overall immune system? There's theories out there. You can do your research on it. But at the end of the day, I really do believe that these products are going to become very, very popular in the next 2 years.